We're exploring the central coast of California today, and first up is Morro Bay, known around the world for this monolith in the background, Morro Rock. While most people view it as a simple rock, it's actually what's known as a volcanic plug, created when magma hardens at the base of a volcano, and then that volcano goes extinct and erodes the sides away. Millions of years later, what's left is this volcanic plug. This is the biggest volcanic plug in a series of 9 that stretch from here all the way to San Luis Obispo, about 15 miles away. So estimates put the formation of Morro Rock to about 25 to 27 million years ago. The volcano's long been extinct. It's been used for navigation for centuries when the area was colonized by the Spanish. As you can see, Morro Bay is a beautiful, clear, placid blue bay. On the other side of the rock, though, is a rough ocean beach. Actually, a very famous surf beach, Morro Beach, is on the northern side of the rock there. So we have this beautiful bay that's great for family fun, kayaking. You can take whale watching and sea otter watching tour boats out of the bay. And then on the other side, you've got surfing. They're actually having a surfing contest there today. One thing you definitely don't want to do is climb Morro Rock. Several people have died trying to climb to the top of it. There's huge boulders that can cause rock falls. You can slip and fall very easily, so absolutely do not want to climb Morro Rock. And one of the things that may deter you from climbing Morro Rock is part of it is actually fossilized bird feces. So not the best foothold when you're climbing on fossilized bird feces. Another reason why you don't want to climb Morro Rock is because it's a nesting ground for the endangered peregrine falcons. So you don't want to disturb the wildlife, you don't want to cause any rock falls that's going to destroy any endangered falcon nests. Morro Rock, as you can see, a beautiful sight here on the central coast of California. Further south of Morro Bay is Montana de Oro State Park, and this is a beautiful state park right along the central California coast with little tide pools, sea caves. There's a trail called the Bluff Trail, which takes you down to the coastline across the bluffs. There's several campgrounds in Montana de Oro State Park, but you definitely want to make reservations well in advance because, like most great campgrounds in California, they fill up quickly. So Montana de Oro, as you can see, it's a beautiful state park, awesome shoreline, sea caves, and some hills you can climb, beautiful bluff trail. And right now, I'm actually going down to a hidden beach. It's right next to Spooner Cove, which is at the entrance of the park, where a lot of people park up there. and you can kind of scramble across the rocks and go to this southerly cove, little hidden beach next to it. You can also come down from the top. There's a hidden trail behind these trees here. Beautiful hidden cove south of Spooner Cove there. It's a little rocky, but it's totally secluded and absolutely stunning. Well, that's a wrap from the central coast of California. As you can see, found some great hidden beaches today, wonderful sea caves. Till next time, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.